everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center podcast. I'm Jessica, and I'm really happy you're listening today. If you're learning English and want to speak with confidence in real-life situations, this podcast is made just for you.
Hey everyone, I'm Mike, and today's episode is going to be super useful, especially if you love food, because we're going to learn English at the restaurant.
Yes, this is one of the most important topics for beginners because almost everyone goes to a restaurant at some point, whether it's fast food, a cafe, or a fancy place. And knowing the right phrases can save you from awkward situations.
Exactly. And don't worry, today's English is simple, clear, and very practical. No complicated grammar, no long sentences, just the English you actually use in real life.
Before we start, remember, practice makes perfect. You can pause this episode, repeat the sentences out loud, and imagine yourself in a real restaurant. That's the best way to improve your speaking skills.
Yes, repetition is key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning English. And honestly, most waiters don't care about your grammar. They care about understanding you.
Just the English you actually use in real life. Okay, let's start with the very first situation. Imagine you walk into a restaurant. You are a little nervous, maybe it's your first time speaking English in a restaurant, and you see a waiter approaching you.
The waiter will usually greet you with something simple like, "Hello, welcome," or "Hi there, how many people?"
Yes, let's practice that together. I'll be the customer, and Mike will be the waiter.
"Good evening, welcome. How many people?"
Hi, table for two, please.
Perfect. That's all you need to say. Short and polite.
Listeners, notice how short that sentence is. Table for two, please. That's it. You don't need to say, "I would like to request a seating arrangement for two individuals."
Yes, keep it short. Short sentences are powerful.
Now the waiter takes you to your table, you sit down, what happens next?
The waiter usually asks, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Right, let's practice that conversation slowly.
"Can I get you something to drink?"
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water.
Sure, still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Good choice. Sparkling water is a little fancy sometimes.
Now, listeners, notice the phrase, "I'd like." This is polite and very common in restaurants.
Yes, you can say, "I'd like a coffee," "I'd like a tea," "I'd like some juice."
And don't worry about pronunciation. People will understand you even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection.
Okay, now the waiter gives you the menu. What does the waiter say?
Usually, "Here's the menu. Take your time."
Very polite, and it means you can look at the menu without rushing.
Sometimes menus can be confusing. You might not understand a dish. What can you say?
You can say, "Excuse me, what is this?"
Or, "What do you recommend?"
Exactly. Waiters love this question because it makes their job easier and you might get their best recommendation.
Yes, and sometimes they recommend the most delicious dishes. Sometimes.
Now you've looked at the menu and made your choice. The waiter comes back.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Can I have a cola, please?
Of course.
Listeners, notice the phrase, "Can I have?" Another very common phrase in restaurants.
Yes, you can use it for food, drinks, and even for asking the bill.
For example, "Can I have the pizza?" "Can I have the pasta?" "Can I have the soup?"
Simple, polite, and clear. Perfect English.
Now let's talk about special requests. Maybe you don't want something.
Very important English here.
You can say, "No onions, please."
Or, "No spicy, please."
Or, "Can I get this without cheese?"
Restaurants hear this all the time. No need to worry.
Now your food arrives.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Simple, polite English. Always say thank you.
Sometimes, unfortunately, things go wrong. Maybe your food is not what you ordered or it's cold. What can you say?
You can say, "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered."
Or, sorry, my food is cold.
Or, "I think there's a mistake."
Polite English works best. Angry English doesn't help. Now let's talk about compliments. What if you like the food?
Say it. You can say, "The food is delicious."
Or, this is really good.
Or simply, "I love it."
Compliments make people happy and polite, and it's always good to say something positive. Okay, now you're finished eating. You're full and happy.
The best feeling in the world.
Now you need to pay. What do you say?
You say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Or, in American English, can I have the check, please?
Both are correct.
After paying, you can say, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now let's do one full conversation from start to finish so you can practice everything together.
Hello, welcome. How many people?
Hi, table for one, please.
Please sit here. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a lemonade.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, can I have the grilled chicken, please?
Of course. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Sure.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
See? Simple, real-life English.
If you practice these sentences, restaurants will feel easy.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning English.
And honestly, most waiters don't care about your grammar, they care about understanding you.
Before we finish, here's one more tip for beginners.
Always start simple. Don't try to use long sentences. Short, polite sentences are perfect.
And practice both asking and answering questions. For example, waiter, can I get you something to drink? You, yes, I'd like water, please.
Or, are you ready to order? You, yes, I'd like the burger, please.
Simple, clear, polite English. That's all you need. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of the Mr. English Learning Center podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
We'll be back soon with more real-life English lessons.
Until next time,
Keep learning
keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
Bye, everyone.